From Copilot Edits in JetBrains IDEs to humanoid robots entering homes and GIMP's 3.0 grand release, all that and more on this episode of The Download. Hi, I'm your host, Ganesh Shakur, developer advocate here at GitHub. Welcome back to another episode of The Download, the show where we cover the latest developer news and open source projects. Let's get into it. JetBrains IDE users rejoice! The latest update brings Copilot Edits support, allowing developers to refactor, optimize, and iterate more efficiently across multiple files. With features like a clear overview of modifications, the ability to preview changes, and boosted productivity, Copilot Edits is set to revolutionize your coding experience. So click that Copilot chat icon and start your new edit session today. Managing your work on the go just got a whole lot easier with GitHub Mobile's new feature. You can now create, add, and remove sub-issues seamlessly. This update ensures better organization and smoother collaboration, keeping you on top of your tasks even when you're away from your desk. After 7 years of hard work, GIMP 3.0 has finally arrived. This major release brings a plethora of changes, improvements, and new features that make it easier and quicker to use. For those who want to dive deep into the details, the release notes and news change logs are available. But the best way to experience GIMP 3.0? Download it and try it out yourself. Ready to welcome a robot into your home? Norwegian startup 1X is set to begin early tests of its humanoid robot NeoGamma in a few hundred to a few thousand homes by the end of 2025. That's this year. While not fully autonomous yet, NeoGamma will rely on teleoperators during these tests. Data collected will help improve its AI capabilities, and despite some privacy concerns, 1X promises control over when their employees can view NeoGamma's surroundings. Get ready for the future, one robotic step at a time. In the open source world, you ever want to share your terminals over the web? Well, TTYD is here to make it happen. This simple command line tool, built on top of libuv and WebGL2, supports various features like file transfer, SSL, and cross-platform compatibility. With TTYD, you can share a terminal session, run custom commands, and even use a web-based Vim editor. It's perfect for remote collaboration and debugging. And that's all for now. Let me know in the comments your thoughts on any of the topics we discussed this week. If you like this episode, hit that like button and subscribe to GitHub's YouTube channel for all your nerdy needs. Until next time, happy coding!